Well, I have to say I'm really enjoying this. We got this wonderful view here, and we got the breakfast setup going on. I'll show you what we got for breakfast. Let's see. This is our stovetop with a view. Nice. Got the water boiling here. Yeah, it's pretty much ready now. Gonna have we got some tea here, some organic 3-root tea. Have some honey in that. I've got some oatmeal here. I have some of that with a banana. I've even got some fruit if I want to. I've got a blueberry bar, and I've got a pita and some hummus. So yeah, not too bad. Snack it up here and sit down. Man, look at these massive rocks. You get all kind of cool rocks here, and of course the waves coming in here on Highway 1 in California. Right behind me, there's the white rhino. A bit of the scenery. This is my kind of breakfast. I like it. All right, we've got our oatmeal, which is an apple walnut melody with some bananas and honey. We got our tea with some honey in it. It's like a ginger root. We got our nice view. I'm gonna take a seat right over here and enjoy this. Woo! Ah, yes. This is what I'm talking about, friends. This is the good stuff right here. Goodness. Morning to you. Oh man. I'm gonna enjoy this for a while. Peace. Looks like we've got a visitor. This joins us for breakfast. Hello, friend. How are you? Did you come hungry? maybe I'll have some extra pita later. We'll see what happens. Well, my friend grew impatient with me. He's gone. Yeah, I said he couldn't wait for me to finish my oatmeal to get something to eat, so he took off. Maybe it's for the best. You probably shouldn't feed the wildlife, and don't need a ton of seagulls around here anyway. Although there's not very many seagulls I see around here, honestly. Anyway, superb breakfast. I mean, the food I'd rate 3, maybe 3.5 stars. The view, probably 4.5 stars on this place, yeah. Where else are you gonna get? Tableside, right next to the ocean. Will approves, highly recommend. All right, hope you guys are having a good day. Peace.